How's it going, everybody? On today's workshop, we're going to talk battery testing and why having the proper test equipment will sell more batteries. So, you're all 12-volt installers. You have a multimeter, you got a test light? Sure, but do you have a battery tester? Battery testers are unique to the market. They're going to tell you if that battery has the enough energy to start that battery and if it's going to last through the winter. You know, there's lots of types of battery testers on the market. There's simple ones, little Bluetooth ones, plug into the battery, connect to your phone, and analyze the battery based on cold cranking amps. There's a little more advanced ones that plug in, test that battery, test the alternator, and give you a printout to show your customer. And then, of course, there's old ka-chunks. There's the carbon pile test. This is the standard of tests you should be doing. Load testing batteries is the best way to test. And, of course, there's a type of battery tester for everybody. So we're going to talk battery testing procedures. Of course, every car that comes into our bay has a battery under the hood. So what are we going to do? We're going to test it, every single car. When we pull that car into the bay, we want to make sure that it's fully charged. Testing a partially discharged battery isn't going to give you a good result. So put a charger on it, make sure it's charged up while you're working on the car. A couple minutes later, when it is fully charged, give it a test, whether it's through a Bluetooth module, a more advanced battery tester that can also do alternator and charging systems, or an old school carbon pile test. We're going to look for that CCA on that battery and give it a good old test to make sure that it's giving us the correct output. So what are the benefits to testing a battery? More battery sales. We're here to sell a customer a battery and make sure that they have the best technology under the hood possible. Just like the amplifiers and speakers and remote starter equipment we sell them, we want to make sure they have the best batteries in the market. And no better battery than Full Throttle. When we test batteries, we know for sure if that battery is good or bad. And in so many cases, customers are driving around with a bad battery and they don't even know it. You're going to be the knight in shining armor today by making sure that customer has a trouble-free winter or summer of all the activities out in the backcountry. So now that we've tested the battery and we have some understanding what the customer's going to be using it for, let's pick the right battery for their application. And I brought in a product expert from Full Throttle today to help us make that choice.
Thanks for having me, Dave. Love to weigh in on this one. In terms of what qualifies, because our batteries are built to such a spec that it just absolutely exceeds the required performance from BCI, you are simply qualifying by its footprint. You are qualifying by what goes in under that hood. We have direct fitment. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be a Ferrari, it could be a Yugo. We've got a battery that will fit under there. That's how you qualify it.
Well, I sure hope you can implement some battery testing in your shops and start selling Full Throttle batteries so your customer has a good experience with the 12-volt products you're installing. As always, thank you for connecting with us on this workshop. We look forward to seeing you next time. If you're looking for more information on Full Throttle, fullthrottlebatteries.com. And as always, if you're ready to purchase, DixPerformanceNorth.com. Become a dealer today.